First year at Waterloo. Ooh. I was really nervous because I had been online for the first semester. I came here the second semester, so I was really nervous because I didn't really know much of anyone. I look like crap, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, I just finished crying so much. It's really difficult being away from my family, but it should be okay. The people here are really nice, especially my roommate, but it's just sort of lonely. So yeah. Ooh. Here's a room tour for you. Okay, desk. I put up a couple things. And then here's my little bed. Anime poster. And here's that. I organized all my stuff, as you can see. Here's my shoes. And yeah. I think I've been saying it, I'm a duck chaser, but I don't care. We're gonna get him. No! Oh my gosh, you're panicking! Social-wise in Waterloo, it can be a bit difficult, but I feel like people overreact when they say the social life is dead. Like, as long as you try to join clubs and meet new people, you shouldn't have that hard of a time.
I'm too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this life. I think I'm insane.
Can't sit down. I'll fall down.
Oh
It's really hard to come down.
no! You were very elegant with it, I have to say.
That was over.
What the fuck is this? Oh.
Yeah, it's making me more. Not recording. I didn't just Fuck you, first of all. I'm not doing shit. Okay, sorry.
You take off from here?
Literally, my place has nothing like that.
Boys in the boomers and top down and see with the coolest and somebody come in the top like a place and that. Cause there's another save it up.
Any ew? Hey, bye, back out here. Hey, bye, bye,
Today is move out day. He's looking cute though. Everything's almost packed up. It looks like a mess, but I'm gonna show you anyway. It's like the bed's all empty. I have a bunch of like plastic bags and stuff like that because I'm moving it. I'm so lucky I'm not one of those people that has to like move a big ass fridge. Though, like I see people outside moving their fridge. I'm like, oh, that looks so difficult. But like, at the first year, oh my gosh, this is so weird, bro. I bet I'm gonna be like older, like an old sexy MILF looking back at this and be like, oh my god, it's so young.
And told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful, and she's nothing like that.
But yeah, oh my gosh, and then me and Annika, the best roommate ever, did this. We can see it. Because Annika plus Rita, heart, 2021 to 2022. I'm actually like sort of like, I feel like once I actually leave here, I'm gonna get like slightly emotional because it's just like, yeah, and then after my parents came to pick me up and I returned the keys and it was so weird seeing the room back to be completely empty. It felt like weird, like, oh my gosh, I'm 1/4 done university, like, it felt so weird, but yeah, just cherish all the moments that you have with people, and I don't know, I'm really excited for next year.
Hey.
Not that bad.
That's not bad.
Making sure it was
You know
good.
why you like it? They put cocaine in it.
Oh boy.
I think so. Put some drugs in it. That's why people are there all the time.
Maybe because I wonder. I
Well,
can't.
you ever read what coke does? Coke used to put drugs in the coke.